Hello and welcome to my new channel. What is this channel about? Philosophy. I'm mainly interested in philosophy of religion and fundamental metaphysics more broadly speaking, and so my videos will mainly focus on those. However, I don't plan on refraining from other topics. For example, ethics is pretty interesting, and so videos on those will come up eventually. I want to focus on universal questions that impact everyone. The existence of God, morality, meaning, etc. These questions are those that ought to be truly and sincerely dealt with, as they have the potential to change your entire life. For example, when I look up at the stars at night, I realize how awe-inspiring it is that the world exists, or that I exist. Why do we exist? What grounds it? How can something exist independently? So on and so forth. Or how about virtue? What is virtue? Why is it that some people are more virtuous than others? Is it a matter of knowledge? Why be virtuous in the first place? Is there an objective virtue? And how about death? Do we terminate at death? What would this mean for our livelihood? Should we be afraid of death? Yeah, interesting stuff. So, my plan is to make two types of videos. Books or article summaries and presentations of my own views. I'll be starting with the Agnostic Inquirer, Revelation from a Philosophical Standpoint, which has 6 chapters, and so I'll be doing one video on each chapter, making a total of 6 videos. And then, after that, I plan on doing the following books, though not in order: A Paradigm Theory of Existence, Ontology Vindicated by Vallicella, Plato's Apology, Phaedo, Phaedrus, and Republic, Aristotle's Ethics, Physics, and Metaphysics, Rundle's Why Is There Something Rather Than Nothing, and finally Kundi's What Is Physics. I do think I'll start off with Kundi's Physics, though that might change in the future. And so I'll also be doing a presentation of my own views. They're definitely bound to change, but I would like to, make them more concrete and refine them, and also make them subject to criticism so I can, change them if need be. So what's the purpose of this YouTube channel? It's to learn and to teach others. I've heard somewhere that the best way of learning is by teaching something to others, and this is definitely true in the case of stuff like math or physics. And so I'd like to do the same thing for philosophy. And also, I'd like my views to be subject to criticism, since that's the best way to, get to truths. And so yeah.